Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily. So if you don't want to delete your account, then you can deactivate your account for sometimes or for a while. So you need to tap on your Instagram application. So I'm just going to tap on the account, and then it's the home page. So what you need to do, you need to tap here the profile icon right bottom corner on your screen. Simply tap here and then tap the three line right top corner. Also tap the three line, then you'll see here settings and privacy. Simply tap on that, and here you can see the first option, account center. So you'll get here some option, couple of options. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the option personal details. Simply tap here and tap account ownership and control, and again tap here, tap your profile, and here you can see deactivated account. So if you mark this one, then your account will be deleted permanently. But if you want to deactivate it, it means other people aren't able to see you until you log in the account. So just simply tap on the continue, and you have to put your password here, then your account will be deactivated. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.